What's up? What's up? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing back with another video. In today's video, I want to go over how you can have success with affiliate marketing in 2019 and beyond. And I laid out 4 simple steps that I feel like is key to having success with affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to do is go over these steps and show y'all my personal results from affiliate marketing and showing y'all a few other affiliates doing these same exact steps. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Step 1, picking a niche. Whenever I'm picking a niche, it's something that I'm passionate about. Like for me, affiliate marketing, I've been in the space since I was 16, 17 years old. I have a lot of experience with it, and it's something I really do not mind talking about each and every single day. So for you, if you into fitness, you love working out, you can share like tips and tricks on how you can get a better body and all that stuff. That's something you'll want to go with. So yeah, like I said, something that you're passionate about, something you don't mind teaching people and posting about every single day, which leads to step 2, picking the product. When you're picking the product or creating your own product, you want to make sure it solves a big pain point in whatever niche that you're in. So for me, in affiliate marketing, a lot of people do not know how to drive traffic to offers and make commissions. So what I did was create my own CPA marketing product that teaches people how to have their first $100 day, first $1,000 a month, first $2,000 a month and beyond. So yeah, just pick something, either create your own product or find a high converting affiliate product from a network like ClickBank. ClickBank, y'all know, been around for 10, 20 years. Payout on time, every time. I love ClickBank. I use that myself. And then step 3, master one traffic source. You don't want to be jumping from Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, things like that. The best traffic source is the one where your audience is at. If you like Facebook, but your audience is primarily on Instagram, get to Instagram and start posting. I mean, it's a similar platform, so I don't see what's the big would be the big issue with that. Now, if your audience is on YouTube, majority of your audience on YouTube, hey man, you gotta master YouTube. Me personally, I hated recording videos. Like y'all can go look at my first video on my channel. It was garbage, just terrible. Like man, but I went through it. I knew that making these videos for you guys was gonna put me in a position where I'm in today, where I can finally take care of myself now, just from providing valuable content to everybody. So yeah, just pick one traffic source, master it, and just focus. Step 4, which leads me to next step 4. Just focusing, taking action daily. No more jumping from offer to offer, traffic source to traffic source, and just stay consistent. The people that's winning online, offline, anything in life, they not jumping from thing to thing. They literally doing one thing each and every single day consistently. So now that we got that out the way, I want to show y'all my results from affiliate marketing recently. For those of you that's new to my channel, I know a lot of y'all seen me post a ClickBank proof yesterday from the launch jacking strategy, and as you can see, I ended up making almost $1,200 in a single day promoting an affiliate product. All I did was gave value on the product that I was releasing and offered my bonuses, and I was able to make $1,200 doing that. Now I want to show y'all a few other affiliates promoting different offers from ClickBank. Now this is in the numerology niche, the law of attraction, things like that. That's huge on almost every single platform. So yeah, some niches that you might already be passionate in is popular on Instagram, it's popular on Facebook, it's popular on YouTube, it's popular on forums and things like that. So all this guy was doing was just posting related things to a niche. And as you can see, 1,000 likes, 30, 40 comments. Yeah, with a simple caption and then a call to action. Get your free personalized numerology report by following the link in the bio. Let's see where it goes. Matter of fact, let's actually, because with Billy links, you can actually see how much traffic a link is getting by just pasting it and adding a plus sign at the end. So let's see before we even go to the offer. 14,000 link clicks. That's crazy. 14,000 link clicks for this numerology offer. When they click on the link from his Instagram bio, he or she, they go straight to the numerology ClickBank offer. This is one of the most popular offers on the network. Let's actually see how much traffic this offer is getting. 600,000 visits last month. Months before that, September, as you can see, pretty consistent. In January, they got 1.5 million, the start of the year. But yeah, man, all they doing, you see 700 posts, consistent. They not posting one time. They didn't just make one post and get 14,000 link clicks. It was daily efforts. You can actually see the times they was posting 8 hours ago. Let's go to the last post, 17. 1 day ago. 1 day ago. 2 days ago. So they posting each and every single day to drive that much traffic. That's it. All they doing, posting each and every single day and engaging with their audience. That's how you get these type of results. Now let's go to my next example, which is in the woodworking niche. This is a popular woodworking page on Facebook. As you can see, they got almost 800,000 likes with 800,000 people following them. And you can see in their pinned post, they promoting some, what is this? Let's see, setting up a wood shop for under $1,000. Let's see where this go. Matter of fact, let's check the engagement first. 100 likes, blah, blah, blah. How to set up. So yeah, this is a new ClickBank offer that just came onto the network. Ultimate small shop. Look at this. All they doing, let's look at their post. Scroll, let it load first. So let's scroll, let's check out what they posting. See, 7 hours ago. Boom. Then here's another one. Another offer they monetizing. Free wood plans. Look at this. Get instant access to 60 woodworking plans for free. And I can bet you as soon as you enter your email address on the next page, they're going to upsell you for the 16,000 woodworking plans. So let me show y'all that. Say enter. Thank you. Your plans are on the way. It went to my email address. Boom. Here we go. If you're serious about woodworking, you need to watch this video. Get instant access to 16,000 woodworking plans. This is the Ted's woodworking offer. Very popular on ClickBank. Anybody can come and do the same thing. You think you can make a woodworking fan page, post woodworking pictures every day, and make a basic landing page coming to this offer? Do you think you can do that? Very, very simple, not too complicated. But see how much traffic this site is getting. See, 734K. That's great. Over time, it's been pretty consistent. So this is a good offer that you can run with. Now let's go to my last example. Now I found this YouTube channel doing some research on another ClickBank offer that shows you how to get your ex back. It's one of those, I think the offer is called X Factor Guide, but let's look at her video. So as you can see, the video, how to get your boyfriend to move in with you fast. And then let's play a little bit of it first.
If you're interested in getting your boyfriend to move in with you, this video will give you some ideas on how to click the like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
But yeah, on channels like this where they just posting content in a specific niche, as you can see, she in the getting your ex back niche, which is huge on ClickBank. You can see first link in her description, how to get him to move in. Let's see where this link is going. The Penguin method, as you can see, this is a ClickBank product. Now I know because I've seen her channel before. She promoting a couple different ClickBank products because I never even seen the Penguin method before. But let me show y'all the other video. Here we go. From 4 years ago, she uploaded this video 4 years ago. How to make your ex fall in love with you again. 684,000 views. Let's click on it.
So you want to make your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend fall back in love with you, huh?
So let's see what she promoting on this one. LisaForrest.com/breakups. Click here to discover. Yep. This is most likely the X Factor Guide ClickBank offers. Yep. As you can see, the X Factor. Boom, for men, women, click here. Do you think you could do something like this? You know, if you're into videos, if you don't mind, you know, taking that first step and making your videos into making a YouTube channel, my bad. So basically, do you think you can do this? Do you think do you think you can make YouTube videos? Me, I love YouTube. This is like my favorite traffic source. I love the idea of just uploading something once and just getting traffic and sales from it day in and day out for months, if not years. I don't see why more people don't leverage YouTube because with social, you know, with Facebook and Instagram, by the end of the day, your post is gone. If you make a YouTube video and get it ranked, that video is there for months, like I said, months, if not years. That's why I love YouTube, but you know, it's not for everybody. Some people just love Instagram and know how to drive traffic on that. Okay, master that, stick to it. Find your offer to promote and there and continue to drive traffic on it. If you like Facebook fan pages, posting in groups, that's your thing, keep doing it. So the whole thing, like I said, just going back to it, you know, picking a niche, something that you're passionate about, something you don't mind talking about every single day. Step number 2, picking a product that's solving the pain point in your niche. Master a traffic source. Step 3, and focus. Just stay consistent at it. You're going to succeed. Like, oh man, if y'all just knew, like my whole life just changed around in the last couple months just because I've been like super focused on YouTube. That's it. Me just focusing on YouTube, this one traffic source, and a product that's solving the pain point in my niche. My whole life changed around in the last couple months. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I post videos about making money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. That's all I got for this video. I'm out.